सो थैंक यू ब्यूटीफुल सोल्स फॉर जॉइनिंग टुडे। एंड आज का सेशन भी हम हेल्थ का ही कंटिन्यू करेंगे। एज वी ऑल नो, देयर इज फिजिकल हेल्थ, इमोशनल हेल्थ एंड मेंटल हेल्थ. Since last 2 to 3 days we have been taking it all this healing process one by one, but today we will take all three uh, all three, like physical, emotional, mental health together, so that we release, even though release work has begun and we are doing it eventually, but again today we'll release blockages related to all three areas and eventually release it, and then from tomorrow we can begin with relationship. Are we good to go?
यस मैम।
Yes. देखो एक बार शिल्पा जी आ रही हैं क्या? I just start this sound. Is the sound okay? So still anything that you have been holding, शायद वो 2 दिन में आपको याद नहीं आया हो, still you can recollect, still you can release it. So any sort of pain, physical, emotional, mental, any sort of, अगर आपको लगता है ओवर थिंकिंग है, ओवर एंजाइटी है, वेरी एंशियस, कांट स्लीप वेल, छोटी छोटी चीजें डिस्टर्ब करती है, टुडे वी आर हियर टू रिलीज एवरीथिंग. Sound is proper? You want me to increase? Sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Completely relax. Spine erect. Relax your body completely. Release your hands. Sit in a very comfortable manner. Bring your awareness towards your breath. अपना ध्यान अपने सांसों पे देंगे. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe in, fill up your stomach, fill up your lungs, and gently release it. One more time. Deeply inhale. As you inhale, one more time, take a deep breath in. Just exhale. Now, as you inhale, inhale peace and calmness, and gently release any thought, negative emotion, anger, hurt that is bothering you. One more time, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, Release negative emotions that no longer serves you. Take a deep breath in. Visualize white light entering your chakra, building your connection with the divine power. Slowly and gently visualize it moving towards your third eye chakra, giving you clarity about your life path. One more time, take a deep breath in. And as you inhale, visualize the white light moving towards your neck area, which is your throat chakra. Let your throat chakra completely fill in with divine white light. This light is taking away your suppressed emotions, unsaid words, making you a very confident speaker. Take a deep breath in and visualize white light moving towards your heart chakra, spreading all over your heart area, taking away all your emotional pains, stress, anxiety, past hurts, any baggages that you have been carrying from a very long time, past hurts. One more time, take a deep breath in. And as you inhale, visualize white light spreading all over your abdomen area, that is your solar plexus. Visualize it cleansing your gut, cleansing your kidneys, healing your liver, all your internal organs, just taking away all the blockages or any ailment that you are dwelling with. Slowly and gently visualize white light traveling towards your sacral chakra, Healing your relationships with your loved ones. Slowly visualize it moving towards your root chakra, making you feel secure, making you feel safe. Slowly and gently visualize white light moving towards your legs, your thighs, your knees, calf muscles, ankles. Gently visualize white light spreading through both of your hands, moving towards your shoulders, and moving towards your spine. Visualize your body completely soaked in divine white light. You are completely protected. Take a deep breath in. Set an intention to heal yourself emotionally, mentally, and physically. Today, I choose to heal myself emotionally, physically, and mentally. Today, I am here to release. Gently bring your awareness to your life. Notice what has been bothering you. It may be emotional pain, any stress, any anxiety, overthinking, any discomfort in your body. You don't need to fix it, but just acknowledge the pain. Just acknowledge the emotion. Slowly start repeating, I'm sorry for all the pain that I am carrying. I'm sorry for holding on so much stress around me. I'm sorry for the heaviness and fears that are within me. I'm sorry for ignoring my body at times. I'm sorry for ignoring my emotions. I'm sorry for being hard on myself. I'm sorry, dear body, for holding on so much for a very long time. It may be since my childhood, my adulthood, my teenage. It can be anything, emotions related to my family members, emotions related to any relationships. Please forgive me for not listening to myself, for not acknowledging the pain. Please forgive me for not understanding my emotions. Please forgive me for overthinking. Please forgive me for doubting myself always. Please forgive me for holding on the past hurts and pains for a very, very long time, knowingly or unknowingly. From now on, I choose to take 100% responsibility of my physical health, emotional health, mental health. From now on, I choose peace. From now on, I choose to release all the negative emotions that no longer serves me. I take 100% responsibility of healing. I promise to heal myself. Thank you for keeping me strong. Thank you for helping me survive through every difficult situations in my life. Thank you, dear body, for supporting me always. Thank you, my mind, for trying to protect me. I love you. I choose to love myself. I accept myself fully. I send love to my mind, my body, and my emotions. Allow these words to flow deeper. Send these phrases to your mind that keeps on thinking, worrying, and overanalyzing. Send these phrases to your body, to any place where you feel pain, tightness, or discomfort. Send these phrases to your emotions, your sadness, anger, fear, or heaviness that you have been carrying. Gently repeat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. With every repetition, feel the heaviness melting away. Feel that stress releasing. Feel any emotion just going away. Just let it go. You don't have to hold it anymore. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel these healing words soaked in every part of your body, your emotions. Just let it immerse in every cell of your body. Feel the calmness. Feel the peace within you. Your energy is shifting. Your body is responding to your healing. Take a deep breath in. Gently exhale. Place your hand on your heart. Gently say, I am at peace. I am healing. I am at peace. I am healing. Slowly and gently, whenever you feel ready, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Rub your palms. Everyone, please drink some water. शिल्पा जी, आपको क्या हुआ?
I severe back pain and stomach pain. नहीं हो रहा था. और पता नहीं when we started doing intensity बढ़ गई. So I had to move during the
आप पूरी
meditation.
देर पेन में थे?
हाँ,
आप पूरी देर पेन में थे? बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग दिस पेन वाज नॉट देयर?
हल्का सा था, हल्का सा था. बड़ा अब थोड़ा मूवमेंट किया तो थोड़ा सा ठीक है. I don't know. I was not even like paying attention to the pain. बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं था मेरा पेन की तरफ. सडनली बढ़ा तो ध्यान गया कि दर्द हो रहा है.
So there might be lot of emotions that you might be holding, इसलिए वो पेन बढ़ गया, but it will slow down in some time.
नहीं, कम हुआ.
बिकॉज
संडे
हमें
वन
पता नहीं
मंथ हो
होता.
रहा है ना मम्मा का. संडे 1 month हो रहा है. टुमारो there is some
ओके.
puja and I'll not be able to attend.
ओके.
साथ में.
टेक केयर, टेक रेस्ट.
Yeah.
बिकॉज हमें पता ही नहीं होता है कि हमारे इमोशंस जो हैं वो कहाँ जाके स्टोर होते हैं. तो इस हीलिंग से हमें पता चलता है कि शायद जैसे आपको बैक पेन बढ़ गया या स्टमक एक बढ़ गया, तो जहाँ अनस्टोर होता है वहां से हीलिंग स्टार्ट हो जाता है.
जी जी जी. नहीं, don't worry. I knew you would be worried because I'm moving so much, but I couldn't even let you know that जूही, just don't worry. हलचल है तो वो मैं अपने आप को कंफर्टेबल कर रही थी. Not that I would like, and I'm really sorry for coming late. My dad was on call, so
दैट्स ओके.
अभी जरा थोड़ा 2-3 दिन उनका वापस ज्यादा संभालना है उनको. See, अभी देखो, it smiled again. So it was coming out. Now it has reduced. I'll put some hot pack. ठीक हो जाएगा सोने से पहले. नहीं तो हमारी पैरासिटामोल जिंदाबाद. ले लो, सो जाओ. कभी कभी लेते तो चलता है. थैंक
हाँ
यू.
वो ठीक है, बट स्टिल फोकस ऑन योर इमोशंस एंड जस्ट,
या.
आई अंडरस्टैंड लॉट ऑफ रिलीज वर्क इज डन विद दिस, बट स्टिल आपको ध्यान देना है कि कहाँ पेन हो रहा है, क्यों पेन हो रहा है.
जी
यस.
जी जी. थैंक यू
एनीबडी
सो
वुड
मच.
लाइक टू शेयर एक्सपीरियंस? Geet, would you like to share? I've never seen you turn on your camera. If possible, please share your experience.
I have a, in between, I had a very heavy feeling. It started with light note, but in between it was very heavy and ended with again with the light note.
Good.
Just like me.
So now you are okay?
Yeah, now I'm much better.
Yes.
बात
जहाँ
है, आज
जहाँ
सभी को
जिसको
पेन हो रहा
वही, जहाँ
है.
जहाँ जिसको पेन हो रहा है, इट विल बी रिलीज. जहाँ पे आपके बहुत सारे इमोशंस छुपे हुए होते हैं, जैसे शोल्डर्स पे मेनली बोलते हैं कि with lot, if you have lot of responsibilities, if you feel you are overburdened. Back pain तब होता है when you feel you are not supported or when you don't have a secured life. So yes, this pain will go away. I think everyone wants to take rest today. So good night. चलो मॉनिटर फोटो तो लेने दो एक बार.
हाँ, एक बार तो सब लोग
एक
स्क्रीन पे आओ ना. ऐसे
थोड़ा
क्या
सा
कर रहे हो?
थोड़ा सा प्यार दिखा दो.
थोड़ा क्या, बहुत प्यार दिखाते हैं. ले, गीत का तो अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा.
यस गीत, थैंक यू. थैंक यू गीत फॉर शेयरिंग. एंड एवरीवन प्लीज टेक केयर. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम रहेगा यू कैन डीएम मी. आई डेफिनेटली गेट बैक टू यू. टेक केयर.
ये your
Thank
magical
you.
voice is not an issue. Don't worry.
यस.
हाँ, ममता, you're looking so pretty today also. कोई बोलेगा नहीं, अभी हमारे सोने जाने का टाइम है. मेरी शक्ल देखो.
एंजल यहीं सोने वाली है आज.
हाँ
है ना?
चलो।
गुड नाइट,
अच्छा, वन
स्लीप
रिक्वेस्ट,
गुड।
स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, कल एक छोटा रिक्वेस्ट,
हाँ,
टुमारो आई हैव अ 10 PM का चक्रा, ये क्रिस्टल मेडिटेशन, तो हम कल जल्दी शुरू करेंगे, शेयरिंग बाद में लेंगे, प्लीज 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 प्लीज। जुई सो नहीं, ममता इज सो स्वीट, पहले ही हाँ बोल दिया।
कल
थैंक यू
हम
मैम।
अर्ली मॉर्निंग मेडिटेशन करें क्या?
नहीं बाबा।
नहीं,
मे बी नेक्स्ट 21 साइकिल इसी बहाने शायद मैं उठ जाऊं जल्दी।
शायद नहीं, आप नहीं उठने वाले हो, ठीक है, मुझे पता है।
आपको पता है ना मेरे बारे में फिर। But is it
नाइन
true
थर्टी
that
पी एम
after
9:30।
after certain, like, because I've been talking to a lot of energy queens, and like many have been finding it difficult to get up early. I thought I was the only namuna. Thank God there are others. So